Nope. I think it works now. Okay. Pretty sure the sound's working now. Okay, let's start. So today we are going to be making an overhead GUI so that when your players join, they will have a group or member GUI above their head. So if you haven't yet, go in the description below, join my group, and soon, maybe like, I don't know, next live stream. So I'll be doing a giveaway then, but for now we're just gonna be, because it hasn't pinned yet, some of the Robux, but you go buy something in the group if you go into games, and there's a few game passes. You can help me get more Robux so that the people who win get more Robux, and so we're gonna get started now. So if you insert a dummy, by doing this you can go into plugins, and then inside of the build rig, click on it, and then just build a block rig, and you'll see this dummy appear. And then in the head, you can insert let's do a billboard GUI, and then inside of that you can insert a text label, and you'll see this text label. So you're just going to make it so that you can actually see it. So if you go to the billboard GUI, and then just change the stud offset to 2, right in the middle there, so 0, 2, 0, and you'll see it a little bit more in the air. And then in the text label, you can just make the background transparency to 1, just like that, so the background disappears. And then if you go down into the text color, you can change it to, I don't know, maybe yellow, VIP or something like that. I'm just gonna make the text to is in group or something like that. Let's do member. And then if you make the text scaled, just like that, and then maybe add a stroke into it, like that. Probably make it a bit bigger, or the text different, maybe. Yeah, that looks good enough. Maybe brighter yellow, actually. Oh yeah, in Billboard GUI, if you change the reset on spawn to false, and then, yeah, so that makes it so when you reset it doesn't also reset. And then you can make it always on top so that it shows a little bit brighter. When you can see, if we go way back here, it gets like really, really big. And if you don't want that, then Billboard GUI, and then change the max distance, which would say INF, which means infinity. So if you delete that and then make it something like 30. So now when we get close enough we can see it. If we get far away we can't. So then if you bring the Billboard GUI and drag it into server storage or replicated storage, and inside of replicated storage you can make a folder and then name it to ranks, and then insert your Billboard GUI, and then inside of server script service, if you insert a script, and then you could say local tag equals game, and then get service, and then replicated storage, Then you can say wait for child. Then you can do ranks, which is the folder. Then you can do .billboard GUI, and then clone. And then if you drop one, and then you can say game.players.player added, and connect function, and then open bracket, close bracket, and inside of those you can do player, and then you can say player.character, and then connect function, and then char, and then you can do if player, and then is in group, and then you can find your group ID, which for mine is this. By the way, guys, go join my group if you haven't yet. I'll be giving away Roblox in another video, maybe. And then you can say game.workspace, and then wait for child, and then player.name, and then you can say .head, like that. And then since I'm in the group, if I join, I should have the tag that says members. So I don't. Let's see, was there an error? Oh, I spelled clone wrong. Okay, make sure you guys spell clone right. That's a big important step in this. Make sure you spell everything right. So then we join. We should have it. Server script service. Let's see. Connect. Oh, character added. So I just forgot to add character added right there. So then now it should work. And you guys can see that if we zoom our cameras away, we can't see it. But if we zoom in, it does work. You can see the member sign. And the reason I made it 2 studs high is because my fat hat is in the way. And you can make a member GUI. And I think that's going to be today's live stream. Bye guys. Make sure to join my group, link in the description below. And check out the game. It's not really that good of a game. I made it when I was like, I don't know, a few years ago, working on a new one. And should be better, but bye guys. Bye.